Rick, how do you like this heavy thunderstorm at Saratoga?
I don't like it.
Why not? A lot of thunder.
Yeah, and we're gonna stay until the thunderstorm is over.
Yeah, because we can't walk to the car now. Let's see what it looks like out there. Holy cow, you can't even see the track. It's dark as
Okay,
anything.
can I say one more thing? Let's see one more thing, Mom.
You hear the thunder? What?
Mom has only one umbrella.
Ma's only one. That's why we got to stay here before we walk to the car. Uh-oh, look what it says. 12th race canceled. Oh, I can't lose any more money. Well, I guess we're going to be staying here. Most of the crowd emptied out already. I guess the jockeys don't want to ride in this. Look at the track.
Hey, look, they turned off one of the TVs.
It looks like almost as bad as the hurricane last week.
It looks like it's gonna hit a power line. It looks like it's gonna hit a
How you
power line.
doing?
You got a download?
Where's this up? You're in the movie, Ro.
What movie?
I'm making a movie now.
It looks like it's gonna hit a power line, Mom. You hear me?
Whoa, more. Look at it. Look at the wind blowing the rain.
But it's made in China. I have my watch.
And I thought I was going to make my money in the last race. I lost my shirt, but at least it was t-shirt tape.
Race is canceled.
We're not walking to our car now, that's for sure. All right, let me see if I can put this on Facebook.